For like the first time in my entire life, I had to chase my hat down the street because the wind blew it off. I've been wearing hats a long time, and I've never actually had the wind blow my hat off because I just realized I usually walk with my head down. I don't know if that's an underlying self-esteem thing or not, but I usually walk with my head down. But today, I was recording, so I was looking up, and my hat blew off. I got it back, though. It's a little dirty, and my hair is a little wind-worn, but I got it back. So cool. Hey everybody, Dragonwind here. This is going to be a tip from a broke witch. This tip is simple. Go for a walk. Go for a walk and look around you. And especially for those who use different spell elements, such as herbs. There are a lot of herbs that grow wildly if you live in a urban area or if you live in a rural area. Rural area will probably be more ideal, but even if you live in an urban area, you can find herbs. Dandelion, different leaves, acorn, roots, dirt, clover, red clover. Lavender. Those things grow naturally around here. We have some cornflowers that I've seen pop up. Mushrooms. Just go for a walk, and see what you can find in nature. And be sure to thank the earth for whatever you may harvest. I'm actually walking home from the bus stop right now, and it just occurred to me. One, I haven't done a video in a while of any substance. Oh look, see look. This is a red clover flower right here. There's another. They grow naturally around here. Clover flowers. I'm pretty set up pretty good on clover right now, so I'm not going to grab any. But yeah, nature. Free is always the least expensive, am I right? So, take a walk, and you'll be surprised what you can find. Like such. These little blue flowers, those are cornflowers, I think. Don't quote me on that, but I think and there's different breeds of lavender, as I've said, I've seen. Violet, acorn. They're all easy to find if you look, and if you pay attention to the areas that you're searching in. And a lot of the flowers and things that I use are recycled from nature, like the ones I pressed in my silk shadow. Red clover. So yeah, these things can be found in nature. There's absolutely no reason why you have to. You can find them, just go look. So I'm going to end that here. The traffic is getting pretty heavy. And as always, thanks for watching, and blessed be.